Would you like to learn how to make some super yummy air-fried Parmesan crusted asparagus? Just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
Let's get started with putting some olive oil all over the asparagus. Your exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. I started using this better than bouillon roasted garlic base on vegetables. And not surprisingly, because that stuff is good, but it even makes vegetables taste good. But you only need a little bit because it has plenty of sodium, so only like a 1/4 teaspoon. But if you don't have it, just use some seasoned salt. And then I'm also going to put a little lemon pepper on the asparagus, as well as some onion powder and some fresh cracked black pepper. And then after that, I'm also going to add a little herbes de Provence. But if you don't have that, you can just use some Italian seasoning. Now you want to preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees. All air fryers vary, but I'm using my air fryer oven. But if you don't have an air fryer oven, just spray your air fryer basket with some cooking oil and pop them right on in that basket. Now I'm gonna air fry my asparagus for 7 minutes because I like mine to have a little bite to it. But if you like your asparagus soggy and mushy with all the vitamins cooked out, knock yourself out. Now while the asparagus are cooking, let's work on some cheese. I'm going to grate a little Parmesan cheese so that it can enhance the asparagus. Now after 7 minutes, the asparagus are done and this is what they're looking like. The only thing left now to do is to top it with that delicious Parmesan cheese, and then it's done.
Lisa D Delight. Got noises in my stomach, so I guess I'm feeling hungry. I click that YouTube Lisa D so I can kill this rumbling.
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will, all the time. And there you have it, the delicious, quick, and easy side dish to complement any of your weeknight meals. Squeeze a little fresh lemon juice on them bad boys, and baby. Well, I hope you enjoyed the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Yeah, help me split these peas. Yeah, you got recipes. Damn, you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe. Damn, you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe. Damn, you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe. Damn, you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.